Hello everyone and welcome to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through the answer to the question, can Cash App borrow you money, or can you borrow money from Cash App? Yes, Cash App does offer a feature where you can borrow money, but it's not available to everyone. The Cash App borrow feature allows eligible users to take out a small loan, typically up to $200. It's a short-term loan and it is repaid in installments, usually over a few weeks. However, it is important to note that not all Cash App users are eligible for borrowing. Cash App usually offers the loan option to users who have a certain history with the app, such as frequent transactions or a good standing with the app. You will need to repay the borrowed amount with a fee, and the loan is usually automatically deducted from your Cash App balance. While the loan itself may not have high interest, Cash App may charge a fee for the loan, which is important to understand before borrowing. To check if you're eligible, you can open Cash App, tap on the banking tab, which is the $sign icon, and see if the borrow option appears for your account.